Pullman is one of Nashville's newest high-rise residential condominium towers. It's located in probably the best location in Nashville, which is the Gulch. You truly are in the center of it all.
So the great thing about Pullman is we have an excellent unit mix that is attractive for buyers at any stage of their life. Our one-bedroom units are very spacious, thoughtful, wonderful walk-in closets. Our two-bedroom plans are all situated on a corner with incredible expansive views of downtown. And we also offer the rare three-bedroom floor plan as well, which is a very rare thing in our market. And it's a true 3-bed, 3.5-bath, very spacious condominium right in the middle of everything that you'd want to be next to in Nashville.
On level 29, you have your resident lounge. There's gaming tables, there's entertaining space, which is really just an extension of your own private living space. You have a co-working space where if you need to work in a private, quiet area, you can. On level 6, you have your fitness center. You have a pickleball court. In fact, there's 2 pickleball courts. You have plenty of outdoor lounge area. There's grills, there's fire pits. It's truly a space where you can feel at home, relaxed, any time of day or night. One of the things that makes Pullman unique is its rooftop amenities. You have this beautiful pool on the 29th floor overlooking all of Nashville. You get incredible sunrises, sunsets. You can be up there and feel like you're in another world and truly feel like you're on vacation every day.
When I moved in, what surprised me most about the building is like how comprehensive it is. Like you could literally live your whole life here and not have to leave. For me, I'm a lawyer, I'm a really busy life, so that's awesome. I'd highly encourage anyone that wants to live here to do it.
My husband and I, after seeing the Pullman and everything it had to offer, decided to get just a small 1-bedroom as an investment. We actually have a primary residence here in Nashville, about 5 miles away, and we've used it honestly so much more than I ever could have even dreamed of. It's every time we go to a show at the Ryman or go see a Preds game, go watch the Titans, we can just walk there and walk right back and go to sleep. It has been truly like a dream.
Whether this is your primary residence or a second or third home, Pullman has opportunities for every buyer out there who's looking to maximize their time.
For anyone who has been curious about investing in Nashville real estate, we encourage you to come see us and let us show you what we have to offer.